So, hello everyone. In this video I would like to demonstrate you DMN Editor Keyboard Shortcuts. For this purpose I am using traffic violation DMN file that is from traffic violation sample project. And okay, I will use this node should the driver be suspended. I will extend it slightly. So if I open expression editor, the first thing I can navigate between cells using keyboard arrows. Now I said we will extend this, so I need context menu to add new context entry. So I press Ctrl space. The context menu appears. I will insert new row. Name violation is out of date. Boolean. Okay. Now, using keyboard, I can change expression type if I press enter. Previously undefined expression. Now I change to decision table. I can now navigate in the nested expression, in the nested decision table. If I want to return to parent expression, I press escape. And to step in to nested expression, again I can press enter and I am inside. Okay, it was just to show nested expression and parent expressions. I pressed Ctrl space to get context menu. I clear the expression. I will use simple one. So pressed enter with our expression, and now I can even edit the cells using keyboard. I mean start edit and stop edit. So to start, just press enter. I'm interested if the violation date is less than, let's say 1990. Well, and now I want to finish edit. So, however, as the DMN editor is multi-line, I cannot press enter. It will just add new line. I need to finish by tabulator. So if I want to discard changes, just escape. And the change was not preserved. I guess that's all.